1245. Restate my assumptions. 1. Mathematics is the language of nature. 2. Everything around us can be represented and understood through numbers. 3. If you graph the numbers of any system, patterns emerge. Therefore, there are patterns everywhere in nature.
In this unit, students will explore linear equations through games, technology, and of course theory. From the start, students are assigned to follow a company stock for the duration of our 4-week unit. We will begin our unit with an introduction to relations and functions. Students will learn about the monogamy of the input-output relationship our range and domain encounter, and with it, we will properly define functions. The function machine will give students yet another example of input and output. Using the app Skitch on our iPads, we will be analyzing the world around us, looking for examples that pass and fail the vertical line test. Having a solid understanding of the function is key to the entire unit. As we continue our exploration of linear equations with technology, we will also be analyzing the different slopes that we are surrounded by in our daily lives. Of course, what would a math class be without a little bit of theory? The unit's unique take on Common Core and technology allows us to use a single activity and expand it to teach us how to plot points, graph, and write linear equations. I like to refer to this activity as the Big Race. The Big Race is a physical activity allowing students to race each other in different forms to collect raw data. Students will work in collaborative groups and use raw data to learn how to plot, graph, write equations, and predict future outcomes. This activity also teaches students about the x and y intercepts, the importance of slope, and correlation. Students will learn the concepts needed in this unit directly from the Big Race, and we will expand on these concepts throughout our lectures. We will be redefining the student-teacher relationship as students learn from a hands-on experience. As students become comfortable graphing and writing equations, we introduce scatter plots and best-fitting lines. Students begin to learn about creating data models. Everything can be modeled by numbers, a concept that was mentioned in our video intro. Students use raw data to create a best fit line, write the equation of the line, and use it to predict future outcomes. It is under this premise that we conclude our unit. Using all the concepts learned in this unit, students will use the data collected from their company's stock market to create a video, music video/song, poster, presentation with a PowerPoint or keynote, or a skit. Students can choose their method of presentation, but must show us a scatter plot, a best fit line, a linear equation representing the best fit line, and 3 different predictions. Students also have to convince us to invest or not to invest in their company. That is, they have to come up with a logical argument based on their predictions. This unit was designed for the exploration and interaction of linear equations. Students of multiple intelligence will be able to define, analyze, understand, apply, create, evaluate, and remember the key concepts in plotting, graphing, writing, and predicting linear equations. The projects in this unit are designed for the verbal, logical, visual, kinesthetic, musical, interpersonal, and naturalist learners to flourish. The use of technology is used throughout this unit. We definitely use our iPads, and with them the use of Skitch, Keynote, Numbers, MATLAB, Nobility, and MindMeister. Students are encouraged to use their cell phones as cameras to both take pictures and record video for our slope and vertical line test assignment. Computers, projectors, and smartboards are all used throughout this unit. Technology gives students a more hands-on approach to learning, and in most cases, opens up their appetites for knowledge. This class has taught me the versatility of mobile devices. Not only are they great for games and surfing the web, but their education applications are boundless. The expression, "Yeah, there's an app for that," never seem more truthful. Students interact more with the learning process when they are approached with technology. And as a result, the future of education will be shifting to the technological era, and with it, Azusa Pacific's EDUC 522 class.